Hi, my name is Emily and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Sonavel before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Sonavel is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Sonavel from, because Sonavel is only sold on the official website. You cannot get it anywhere else. So be really careful and make sure you buy the original product from the official website, because unfortunately a lot of people have been selling this product on non-official websites like eBay, Amazon, and stuff like that. And by purchasing this product on non-official websites, what they actually get is not the original product, and then they think that the product doesn't work when it actually does, and it can harm your health, so be really careful. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Sonavel, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Sonavel works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with natural concentrated ingredients containing powerful antioxidants that help support your hearing, memory, and focus. Sonavel gathers the freshest and highest quality natural ingredients available, and always following good manufacturing practice, GMP, guidelines. Support the communication between your cells to minimize signs of brain fatigue. Improves energetic well-being, transforms your life with clear thinking and hearing. It has worked wonders for men and women in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and even 70s. Because it was engineered based on teachings from one of the longest-living doctors in the world, Sonavel formula is very gentle yet very powerful at the same time. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Sonavel, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Sonavel to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day. Just take one capsule every day with your evening meal with a half glass of water, and you will love the results you will see and how you will feel. Or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Sonavel has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Sonavel actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.